How to fix Brawl Stars SUPERCELL ID verification code not received problem. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix Brawl Stars SUPERCELL ID verification code not received problem. To fix this, navigate to the Brawl Stars game on your laptop. You need to wait for it to load and connect to the server. Now go to the SUPERCELL ID option in the top left corner. If you have an existing game, continue to log in to load the game. Next, provide your SUPERCELL ID email for a login code. Then click Continue and it will send a verification code to your email. To get the code, navigate to your Gmail account. Open the email from SUPERCELL and copy the code. After that, enter this code in the game and click Submit. To load the game progress, click Load. It might fix the problem with your verification code. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.